Why don't you know how to animate smoke effect? There are 2 reasons. Point 1. You never tried. 2. You haven't watched this tutorial. I'll teach you how to do it in 24 frames per second. Here we have a simple punch animation. Let's add the smoke effect. At the point of heavy impact, let's add the smoke on the ground. On a new layer, let's skibidi to work. Smoke moves outward slowly from the punch. I'll draw lines to show the base movement of the smoke. Most times, smoke moves slowly outwards, so always remember to animate them in 1s first, 2s then 3s. Then complete the drawing of the smoke after. Just keep repeating the same process and widening out the smoke till it fades off. You can watch the video in 0.25 playback speed if you find this part too fast. Now that we're done with the smoke animation, if you find the smoke too thick, you can just reduce the eraser opacity and clean the drawings to make them lighter. And that concludes our animation tutorial. If you want to learn more about animation, be sure to check out my playlist. The link is in the description below.